All right, UPS guy just dropped this off. We got the Klock Werks flare. We're doing it with a little twist with our accent color, because they obviously they have color windshields now. So we went with the 8-inch for the ST. All right, so moment of truth. Judging by the sunlight, we're gonna like it. Oh, adding commentary again, huh? Come on, you're gonna be a big girl. Add commentary, let's do it. So we went with the purple 8-inch. Now we all know how to put these on. You got your six Allen heads on there. Big thing you want to compare. Now again, this is an Advan Black, but my understanding is it mirrors the stock Harley ST. So Advan Black on the Lowrider S. This is the 8-inch flare by Klock Werks. So I'm going to get side by side of me sitting on this with where this hits. Now I am not super tall, so being 5'8", 5'8.5", whatever it is, riding this, wind hits right at my forehead. I do have the Saddleman step up on it, but I know this Klock Werks kick up is going to be way different. So this is roughly what you're looking at with the 8-inch. They do offer the colors in a 6-inch as well, and I think if you stay with the black, clear, or sorry, the smoke or the clear, I think you can get it in 10. But here it is. Let's put it on and let's see the difference. We'll get a shot of me sitting on it before and then after as well. So you can see where it is with my head. See my head in the thing? Mm-hmm. So if I were to guess, stock windshield comes up about my collarbone. That's what a stock windshield is. Let's get the Klock Werks thrown on. See a difference. All right, so we all know it's just the 6 Allen heads that come out. Now we're going to pull this off. We do have to swap over the grommets onto the new windshield. All right, so something that my wife noticed, obviously with it being a colored plastic, the color drastically changes whether it's in the dark or in the shade versus in the sun. So we'll take a look at that as well. Sorry. Now as we're going through, if you haven't done a windshield before, start in the middle and work your way out.
Like it looks so good with white and browns.
What?
It looks so good with white and brown.
White and brown.
Mm-hmm.
If you tighten it too much, that'll happen. It'll pull through. Don't do that. I'm stupid. And here is the purple 8-inch flare from Klock Werks. Obviously, quite a bit difference. Now, please do not get confused. This one says 8-inch flare. The stock one, I believe, is considered a 10-inch. I believe they run the 10-inch from the very bottom, where this one's 8, which would be 8, I believe, from the windshield up. Or sorry, not from the windshield, but about here up. Huge difference. But again, at my height, I can still see over the windshield or gold, and I know it's going to do better with wind. So now we showed it, here is the difference of the 8-inch versus the stock 10. And again from the front. And there's the look with the 9.5 thrash and supply risers, mid bend bar, gauge relocation at eye level. Now my only complaint, because I love these windshields, is the logo's on sideways. See what I mean? It's on on crooked. That's not cool because it's glued on. Might just have to see if I can get it peeled off. But that's not cool. Now before you come at me for the unpleasant exhaust, that is the stock exhaust with the black heat shielding off of it because my stealth pipe has shipped, and had that pulled off to put the extended clutch cable in. We did the full cable when we put the risers on. So my stealth pipe will be here. Thank God for stealth. Customer service was awesome. Emailed them after 2 weeks after ordered or something like that. Within 5 minutes of me sending them an email, guy called, said, hey man, finishing up your exhaust this week. Now that was on Monday. Finish up your exhaust this week. It'll be shipped out this week. You'll have it by next week, I promise. Got a shipping notification, so that was Monday. Got a shipping notification on Wednesday, I believe, that it got sent out. So we'll have it here in a couple days. We'll get that put on as well. With that being said, starting more of the Harley content now that it's warm again here in Colorado. So wife's bike, 19 Street Bob, got the 21 Me Too douchebagger right there. We have some pit bikes to mess around on too. And then this is the new one for me and my wife to mess around on. Gonna be learning wheelies on the Harley, so got them dialed in on the pit bikes. I was hoping we make this a fun one. This was the cheaper option than doing a full performance style bagger build to do the road glide. So after we learn a bunch of stuff on this, road glide might be next, but definitely got to build a V-Club R Hopper very, very soon. Very, very soon. All right. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, all that crap. Let's make it a fun summer.